Ni hao, ni hao ma. Wo hen hao, ni na, wo ye hen hao. Okay, so welcome to my Chinese language club, which we are running under an umbrella of A Square. So today we have a Chinese language conversation program. So in every video, I convey a message wherein the moment you will open my link, okay, so entire transcription is being displayed in the description box. So what you can do is the moment you will open the link, you have to go in my description box so that you will come to know the vocabularies also. Like for example, if I'm saying ta, so you know ta, you are listening ta, okay, and the same moment you have to open my description of this video so that you will come to know the you know the vocabulary in terms of the writing da ta. Is it clear to which you got a spin in, right? So ta is your big. Woods, speak up. Woods. Now why it's woods? Because WUZI. So I will mention my description box. WUZI. ZI sound is tss, tss. So woods. Woods is basically your room. Is that clear to you? Woods. Speak up. Woods. Woods. Shin. Speak up. Shin. Shin is your new. Now you will say, oh, how to Shin? It's Shin, XIN. So I have mentioned in my description box XIN. For the same moment I'm saying, you have to go in my description box and then listen, right? Shin, Shin is your new. Kanching, speak up. Kanching, Kanching is clean, cleanliness. Kanching. So I'm repeating one more time. Ta is big. Woods is room. Shin is new. Kanching is clean. Kanching. Tuo. Speak up. Tuo. Tuo is many because I am writing it also side by side because I just want to paste my description also. Thai. Speak up. Tuo. Tuo is many. Okay. Thai. Thai is two. Thai is two. It's TOO. Okay. Wrong E. Speak up. Wrong E. Speak up. Wrong E. Wrong E is easy. Wrong E. Speak up. Wrong E. Wrong E is easy. Is that clear to you? Wrong E. Speak up. Wrong E. Xiao. Speak up. Xiao. Xiao is small and little. Chang. Speak up. Chang. Chang is basically your dirty, dirtness, dirty. Chew. Speak up. Chew. Chew. Chew is old. No li. Speak up. No li. Speak up. No li. Speak up. No li. Nuli is your heart. Is that clear to you? Nuli. Speak up. Nuli is your heart. Tanshir. Speak up. Tanshir. Tanshir is your butt. Tanshir. Fa'in. Speak up. Fa'in. Speak up. Fa'in. Fa'in is your pronunciation. Pan. Speak up. Pan. Speak up. Pan. Tongshui. Speak up. Tongshui. Tongshui is your classmate. See, these are the vocabularies. See, I'm saying ta, woods, tong shui, fa, in, tan, chir, li, chiu. Every vocab I'm going to paste in my description box. So I'm repeating one more time. On the basis of this, we'll do the conversation. Ta is big. Woods is room. Shin is new. Kanching is clean. Tuo is many. Thai is two. Wrong E is easy. Xiao is small. Chang is dirty. Chew is old. No li is hard. Tanshir is but. Fa'in is pronunciation. Pan. Speak up. Pan is your class. Tong Shui. Speak up. Tong Shui is your classmate. Tong Shui. Shui Shang is a student, as we already have wrapped up. And Tong Shui is your classmate. Nan is your male. Nui is your female. Nui. So I will write it down also. Female. Nui is your female. Shao is your little. Okay. So I'm repeating one more time. Ta, woods, shin, kangching. It is just you have to understand the vocab. Tuo, Thai, wrong E, xiao, chang, chiu, nu li, tan shir, fa in, pan, tong shui, nan, nui, xiao. Is it clear to you? Now, for example, if I'm saying ni shui shi shanma, what are you studying at? Ni shui shi shanma, wo shui shi hanui, hanui nan pu nan. I'm asking to you, hanui nan pu nan. Nan is difficult. Hanui nan pu nan. Hanui is difficult, not difficult. Hanui nan pu nan. Speak up. Hanui nan pu nan. Then you will say pu thai nan. Pu Thai Nan. Thai is two. T-double-O. Not so much difficult. Pu Thai Nan. Tan Sher but Fa in Pu wrong E. Fa in pronunciation Pu not wrong E. Easy. You are saying, I'm asking you, Hanwi Nan Pu Nan. You are saying Pu Thai Nan. Pu Thai Nan. Not too much difficult. Tan Sher but for in pronunciation Pu wrong E. Pronunciation is not easy. For in Pu wrong E. Is that clear to you? If I'm saying Ni Mang Pu Mang. Ni Mang Pu Mang. Speak up. If I'm saying Ni Mang Pu Mang. You busy? Not busy. Han Mang, Ni Mang Ma, speak up, Ni Mang Ma. So this we call as revision, right? Ni Mang Ma, speak up, Ni Mang Ma, speak up, Han Mang, speak up, Han Mang. Now the next we have is Wo Pu Thai Mang, Wo Pu Thai Mang, Wo I, Pu is not, Thai is two, Mang is difficult, busy. So I'm saying Wo Pu Thai Mang, I'm not too much busy. Mang is busy. So Wopu Thai Mang. I'm saying Wopu Thai Mang. Wopu Thai Mang. Speak up. Wopu Thai Mang. Thai is basically your two. Too much. T-double-O. Two. I'm not too busy. Ni yo mai yo. Speak up. Ni yo mai yo Hanui Sertian. Very good. Hanui Sertian. Hanui Ni yo mai yo Hanui Sertian. Speak up. Ni yo mai yo Hanui Sertian. Speak up. Ni yo mai yo Hanui Sertian. Speak after me. So every description which I'm going to paste it in the description box. Every transcription. So I'm saying Wopu Thai Mang. Ni yo mai yo Hanui Sertian. Yo Ipan. Yo Ipan Ni Te Sertian Shin Pushin. Ni Te Sertian Shin Pushin. Ni Te. You. Te is my particle. Sertian. Shin new. Not new. Pushin. Shir Ipan Chiut Sertian. So Sertian is a dictionary basis. Sertian, which we already have wrapped in the last module. Sertian. See, I'm saying Ni Te Sertian Shin Pushin. Ni Te Sertian Shin Pushin. You will say Pushin. Shir Ipan Chiu. Old Sertian. It means you're saying Pushin, not new. Shir Ipan. Pan is my particle for the Sertian dictionary. Chiu, old Sertian. I have one old dictionary. Okay, is that clear to you? So let me pen down because I want to give it to you that entire transcription. 1 second. Okay, let's start with this. Now the next we have is pen down. Ch shir woman ta chiao shir. Very good. Ch shir woman ta chiao shir hanta han kanching. See, repeat it. Kanching is to clean, basically cleanliness. What I'm saying is ch shir, this is woman or ta chiao shir which we have wrapped up class. Ch shir woman ta chiao shir, this is our class. Woman ta chiao shir hanta. Woman ta chiao shir hanta. Ta is big. So what I'm saying ch shir woman ta chiao shir hanta han kanching. So what is this? Listen to it very carefully. Ch shir, this is woman ta chiao shir, this is our class. Chiao shir is class. Woman ta chiao shir, our class. Hanta, very big. Han kanching, very clean. Is that clear to you? Kanching, very clean. Is that clear to you? Now let me pen down first because I need to paste the same in the description box. Okay, the next we have is Nashir Thamanta Chaushir. Nashir Thamanta Chaushir Puta. Listen it very because it will increase your listening skill. The moment if you really want to clear your HSK1 exam, so understand the listening portion. Nashir, that is Thaman de the Chaushir, that is their classroom Chaushir. Thaman the Chaushir, their classroom Puta, not beg. Puta. I'm repeating one more time. Nashir Thamanta Chaushir Puta. Let me pen down also because I just want to give the transcription also. 1 second. Yes, now it's fine. The next we have is Cheshire woman pan ta tong shui. Very important. Speak up. Cheshire, this is woman or pan. We have a class ta tong shui. Tong shui is my classmate. Tong shui. Speak up. Tong shui. Cheshire, this is woman or class pan ta tong shui. This is our class of the classmates. We say this is our classmate. This is our Cheshire woman pan. Pan we have a class. Pan ta tong shui. Tong shui we have a classmate. Right. Pangyo is my friend. Okay. Cheshire woman pan ta tong shui. Tong shui. Cheshire woman pan ta tong shui. Woman pan nan. Woman pan nan tong shui tuo. Nui tong shui shao. Repeating one more time. Very important. Just to understand first. Cheshire woman pan ta tong shui. Cheshire woman pan ta tong shui. Woman pan nan tong shui tuo. Nui tong shui shao. Nui tong shui shao. Listen to me. Cheshire, this is. Woman is pan is class ta tong shui. Woman pan class nan is male. Class male tong shui. Tong shui is male friend, male classmate. Tuo, too much, so many. Tuo is numerous, so many. Woman pan nan. Woman pan class pan. Nan is male. Tong shui is classmate. Tuo. It means I have a lot of male classmates. Nui is female. Tong shui classmate. Shao is little, and little female in the class. Woman shui shi hanui. Woman shui shi hanui. We study hanui Chinese. Woman tu han nuli. Nuli is hard. Woman tu han nuli. Is that clear to you? It means woman tuo han nuli. So han is very and nuli is hard. I will write it down also. Tuo. Okay. Woman tuo han nuli. Woman tuo. Woman tuo. Tuo is basically your many, so many. Han is very and nuli is hard. It means it's saying very difficult. We find it very difficult. Woman shui shi hanui. Woman tuo han nuli. Woman shui shi hanui. Woman tuo han nuli. Nuli is hard. Can we repeat the conversation? Right? So I think I have to repeat the conversation one more time. Ni shui shi shanma. Wo shui shi hanui. Hanui nan. Pu tai nan. Pu tai is too much. Pu tai nan. Tan shir fa in. Pu rong i. Tan shir. But fa in pronunciation is not easy. Pu rong i. Ni mang pu mang. Han mang. Ni mang ma. Wo pu tai mang. Ni yo mai yo. Hanui satyan. Yo i pan. You have to understand my listening. Ni tat satyan shin pu shin. Pu shin. Shir i pan chiu satyan. Cheshire woman ta chiao shir han ta han kang ching. Na shir thaman ta chiao shir pu ta. Cheshire woman pan ta tong shui. Woman pan nan tong shui tuo. Nui tong shui shao. Woman shui shi hanui. Woman tuo han nuli. Cheshire woman pan ta tong shui. Woman pan nan tong shui tuo. Nui tong shui shao. Woman shui shi hanui. Woman tuo han nuli. So that's how the language works. Nuli is nuli hard. Nui female. Nan we have we have male also. That nan is not a difficult one. That nan is male. Okay. So that's how the language works. So I believe because these vocabularies we have used chang, we have used tan, shir, fa, in, pan, tong, shui, nan is male, nui, shao, rong, i, easy, thai, chu, tuo is many, kanching is clean, shin, what's, ta is big. So understand these vocabularies. So by the time it is very what I would say in the end, I would say very important module. If you really want to get a good grip in the language, listen it out, see the description. For example, if I'm saying something, okay, wo shui shi hanui, so go in the description box, wo shui shi hanui, it is already been displayed, it's already been written over there, right? So by the time sai qian xie shi sai qian